Meet the HE&M saw WF1827M semi-automatic wide flange dual column bandsaw. The saw has a cutting capacity of 27 inches wide by 18 inches high, uses a 1.5 inch blade with a 9.2 degree blade cant to facilitate smoother blade entry and exit with better blade tooth loading. The blade is driven by a 10 horsepower, 3-phase motor that can be set up for 220 or 440 volts. The saw uses a reliable 5 horsepower pressure compensated variable volume hydraulic system for years of reliable service. The WF1827M has multiple vising and clamping options to secure various material in place to ensure accurate cuts, including a standard full-stroking bidirectional main saw vise and an optional bidirectional outboard vise. The vices have adjustable variable pressure, and the wear plates on the vise and saw bed are heavy-duty and easily replaceable. Full capacity top clamps can be added to the main and the optional outboard vise for vertical clamping or structural shapes when the material bundles are to be cut. A swing-away control console is conveniently located on the front of the saw for mechanical and all electrical functions. This allows for the operator to easily control the cut while seeing the progress clearly. The touchscreen control located on the console is a PLC-driven system with heavy-duty industrial touchscreen interface for many functions and operations. The touchscreen display provides easy-to-use menu navigation for running and setting up single, manual, or semi-automatic cuts, as well as functions to monitor and troubleshoot the saw. Variable blade speed is easily adjustable with blade speed readout displayed on the touchscreen. Cutting force and the blade feed rate are adjustable to control the saw arm to cut various types of material. Carbide and roller blade guides help maintain blade stability and precision, providing rigid support by reducing blade deflection and minimizing wear, ensuring accurate cuts and extended blade life. A roller discharge table is welded to the machine base for easier material handling after the cut. The table is 24 inches in length and is fully coolant panned to return coolant to the machine. The guide arm is powered and adjustable to provide optimum blade support as material sizes change, holding the blade securely, providing straighter cuts and longer blade life. The saw has a totally built-in coolant system with a sealed coolant pump with coolant that is dispensed through the guide arms on both sides of the cut. A cutting fluid washdown hose is provided for machine cleanup. Thank you for watching our overview of the HE&M WF1827M semi-automatic wide flange dual column production bandsaw. If you would like more information or to submit a quote, please visit at hemsaw.com.